today I'm going to be talking about the iTunes program. This program helps you to transfer your music and videos from your iPhone to your computer, and also I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer your photos from your iPhone to your computer using the File Explorer, because iTunes cannot allow you to transfer photos in that method. So first of all, we'll have to download and install iTunes. I'm just going to go and click on Start in here and just type Store, which is Microsoft Store. I'm not going to use the web, I'm going to use the Microsoft Store app, it's easier. I just clicked on the Microsoft Store. I'm gonna just type iTunes at the top in here and click on iTunes. I already have it downloaded and installed, so you would have on the right side the word install. Just click on that. It might take 5 minutes for it to download and install. It's around 227 megabyte. So after it gets installed, just click open to open it up and close the Microsoft Store right now. So this is what the interface will look like in iTunes. So now I just plugged in my USB cable into my computer, and I'm gonna plug the other end of the USB cable to the bottom of my iPhone. As you can see, you heard the beep, and make sure that you click on trust on your iPhone so that the iTunes can read your iPhone device. I just had a little auto program that tried to read my picture. I just closed it, I don't need that. So as you can see, iTunes has identified my iPhone here at the bottom left of the screen. And if I click on the logo at the top of the screen for my iPhone next to the music, that will show me the summary of my iPhone, restore backup. I can back up my device to iCloud, to this computer. I can do so much in here. But if I go to music, I can just click on sync music and just click apply. That will sync all my music that I have on my iPhone to this computer. And same thing with movies. I just click sync movies, and that will list and that will sync all my movies from this iPhone to my computer. Now when it comes to photos, you would have to go to your File Explorer here at the bottom of the screen, and then click on this PC, open up the Apple iPhone, then open up the internal storage, then double click the DCIM folder. And I only have like one folder will have one picture in it, so I'm going to open it up. You might have other folders, so you can either back up the entire folders to your computer by copying and pasting, or you can go inside the folder and just click copy, right click copy on the picture and just paste it wherever you want. I'm going to paste it here on my desktop, so that will back up my photo to this computer. And as you can, I just have to refresh the screen, but the photo is here, so I backed it up to my computer. So that's the best method of backing up your photos to your computer using the File Explorer and your USB cable. This is all about iTunes, guys, and I hope you like this video. If you do, kindly give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to the answer. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.